today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. If you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Yolissa Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below in the description area for you. No, I have not opened up this box, so of course we're going to open it up together. Your unit comes in this bag. Also see an edge brush. And I guess this is a headband, an edge band, an HD cap, some lashes, and then you also get your satin bag. This is their Water Wave Pre-Braided 13x4 HD lace front wig. This one is in the length 22 inches. This is what the waves look like straight out of the box. This is what your cap construction looks like. As you can see, they went ahead and bleached the knots, and they also pre-cut the lace. You get 2 combs on the side. Also get a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also get a removable adjustable elastic band. And this is a cap size small. What the pre-braided style looks like. Of course, it's going to look better when I put it on my head, but as you can see, they did take out a little hairs in the front to create a little baby hairs on the side. You can always move those out of the way. But of course, this is not doing it justice. So let's go ahead and place this on to see what it's really looking like. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. I did have to scoot this back a little bit because the last time I did another pre-braid style, I told you guys that I had it up too far and it looked crazy. But this is what it is given. Now I can already tell on the side I am gonna have to cut down some of the lace because it is overlapping my ear. Also, I am gonna go in with a little bit of tint spray right here in the front to make this blend down a little bit more to my skin. Now this braid right here in the middle, I feel like this could be a little bit tighter, but you can always kind of fix that yourself. The braid right here in the middle, I feel like it's a little bit hidden by the hair, but they did a really good job with how neat everything looks. Also, I can tell that I need to pull my cap back a little bit because this is the HD lace. So it's a little bit on the thinner side, and you can see like the very front of the cap. So I am gonna make sure to fix that. These hairs on the side do not bother me at all. I'll probably cut them down just a little bit shorter, just depending on exactly what I want. This is some nice density. In fact, because maybe she feels a little heavy. She's a little heavy. Let's see what this density is. I checked my bag and everything. I don't see the density on the bag. Also, I'm looking at the website. They have 2 density options, which is 180% and then 250%. I low-key feel like this is 250% because this is very, very full. I am going to make sure to double check with the company. So if you guys do want to purchase this, you can get the right density. But yeah, she feels heavy. So if you're somebody who likes a lot of hair, you'll like this one. I did ask for the small cap size, so for me the small is fitting perfectly. The only thing I have to do is, like I stated, go in on the side and just trim down some of that lace, which to me is very easy because they already did most of the work, which is cut down the lace. And they did go in and bleach the knots. The knots look very good. Also, besides me needing to fix my wig cap, this is pretty much dang near already done. I am going to make sure to define these waves a little bit more. But if you are somebody who like in a hurry or something, I think if you just kind of wet this a little bit or just put a little bit of product to tame any frizziness and just lay your lace down, I think you'll be good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together, and then of course I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts and also so you can see the final look. out really cute. The waves on this, I love them. They're really soft, but like I said, this is a heavier density. Once I find out the density, then you can decide which density that you want to rock. But I like the length on this because I feel like it doesn't look super long. And when I turn around, you can see that it's gonna make a really, really nice ponytail. A little bit of my tint spray, as you guys seen. Also had to cut some of the lace off on the side. I decided to install this unit using my olive oil adhesive spray. However, they did include this tape that you could put on the sides. But because when I pulled the unit back, I noticed just a little bit of roominess underneath the lace, and I wanted to make sure that it laid down all the way. Another thing that I did was go in and change my wig cap, because you can see the wig cap underneath. I changed it to a darker wig cap and I slid it back a little bit so you couldn't see it as much, which is why I went in with powder right in between this area so it could kind of camouflage where you couldn't see the wig cap at. My edge band on so everything could kind of marinate, and then I went in with my spray bottle, and then I used a little bit of my olive oil foam to define these waves, and I feel like it came out really cute. I cannot fluff it up too much because I didn't want any frizziness going on, but I do feel like the ends of this don't look too bad. Now I made sure to put most of my mousse towards the ends because I didn't know if it was going to come off looking dry. But for this to be styled straight out of the box, I'm not mad at the way that this looks. Another thing that I did was go in and redo my rubber band because the hair was kind of pushed back a little bit, so it was kind of creating this weird hump up in this area. So I tightened it back up, and now it's laying down a little bit flat. I feel like it could be a little bit flatter. Like I stated, you can't really see my braid right here because some of the hair is coming over, but you get the idea. The braids on the side are really neat. I think they did a good job with bleaching the knots, and the lace, once I added my tint spray on, the lace looks really good. Now I did have to go in with a little bit of powder in the front, like a lighter powder, because I decided to add an extra coat of my tint spray. So once it dried down, it came off just a little bit dark. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I received a little bit of shedding during the styling process, which I am not shocked at. It wasn't heavy shedding, but it definitely was some there. And then as far as snags go, I received a little bit in the nape area, but with this type of unit, I do expect some snags to happen. This is going to be a higher maintenance unit. I feel like if you don't try to mess with it too much, it's not going to be super bad, but because of how thick and full it is, you are going to have to go in and refresh. I know that some people may think that the braids and everything are a little bit childish. Look, you can take the braids out and you can style it in different ways, so you have some versatility going on. It made this ready to wear straight out of the box. You just have to make sure that your lace matches up to your skin tone, and I think you'll be good to go. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is definitely a fun, kind of youthful look. If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all of the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.